This is Dr. Tristan from Chicago Spinal Sports. We have Josh here about to perform the bird dog exercise, great for core. Go ahead and get in the quadruped position, meaning hands and knees, hands directly under shoulders, knees directly under hips. Perfect. Before you initiate this exercise, I want the patient to go through a cat-camel. So go ahead, good. And with this, the purpose of this is just to find midpoint, so neutral spine. Drop a little bit more down here. Good, right about there. So with this, the first thing I want you to do is just drive out with a fist in front of you. Good. Other side. Good. And then drive back with a leg, leading with the heel. The foot should be driving straight back. Good. Good, and now you can go ahead and put both together. So you're going to reach out with the hand and drive back with the foot. And with this, we don't want to have the patient kicking up or down. The foot should remain straight back, keeping a neutral spine. Go ahead and hold on the next one. Perfect, and back in. Then go ahead and perform the recommended rep and time.